So this video covers the custom menu system, which is what we use to set up menus in various different locations on a WordPress site. It's a very simple drag and drop editor that allows you to set up navigation for your website users in a nice, simple to use way. It can also be updated internally very quickly and easily. So WordPress usually follows a page order to build a navigation structure on pages. It'll put your home page and then your contact page, in this order. And if, for example, you've used the parent system to make one page a child page of another page, like in this situation here, it'll put the contact page as what we'd call a top level page and the home as a child of that. All well and good. But what happens if you want to create a page, like for example another great new page here, that you don't want to appear in the navigation structure? Or what happens when you want to add a drop down to other pages but not have pages for each of those sections, for example? Well, this is where we use the menus system. Now the menus system can be found under Appearance and Menus. And you see you've got one set up here. You have a menu structure, home and contact, and you can drag them into whatever order you prefer them to be, and they will immediately update the menu that appears on the front end. So now I've got contact and home that way around, for example. You can also use it to produce drop-down menus, which we use quite frequently, just by dragging them across. So the contact is now a sub-item of home. If I click on Save Menu and click on Creatomatic Test Site, you'll see that home's the only one appears until you roll over it, and then contact comes down. All nice and easy so far. So what we can do is go back to Appearance and Menus. And in order to add another page to this menu, all you need to do is select it from the Pages system on the left hand side and click on Add to Menu, and then you can shuffle it up and down as to where you want it to appear. For example, let's have it appearing like this here. We could, if you wish, to put in a custom link to another website. You could put in your details in here and just click on Add to Menu, and that would link down under here. So it's all nice and simple at this stage. I'll just click on Save Menu here, go back, and we'll just check how it's looking. Home, another great new page, contact, and visit Creatomatic, which will open up our own site over here. So, in order to remove any page from any of these links, you just need to click on it and click on Remove. You'll also find that we've got a variety of different options to appear down here, and these do vary depending on your site. This is a very simple site which only has pages and posts. You can, if you wish, put a blog post into here, for example. There we go, and put these in place. And if we're feeling particularly smart, we can make a custom link which links to nowhere. In fact, we'll just put a hash in there, which will ensure it won't link to anywhere, and perhaps put latest blog posts in here. And then we could use our navigation system to put the posts under here. You'll see those appear in a list now underneath that, and then finally click on Save Menu. And we've now, in just a couple of minutes, we've made quite a complex little menu there, just simply by dragging and dropping. No complicated plugins, nothing to worry about on that front. And again, as with all Creatomatic sites, it'll work beautifully on mobiles and tablets.